Good morning, students. I am Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson first for class 5, and the topic is globe and maps. In this chapter, we have to know about globe and maps. What is a globe and what are maps? These two things are very essential and important resources to know about land or about our earth. But do you know, in ancient times, people didn't know about the accurate shape of the earth. They believed that the earth was flat and they would fall off from its surface. And it was thinking for them that if they travel to its edge, they may fall off from its surface. But when we study, we find satellite images of the earth proved that shape of the earth is like an orange. Have you eaten an orange? Yes. So the shape of our earth is like an orange or a sphere. Like this, we can comprehend the shape of the earth with the help of a globe. So now we come to know what is a globe. Yes, a globe is a model of the earth which gives us a fairly accurate idea about the earth's surface. What is a globe? Yes, a globe is a model of the earth which gives us an accurate idea about the earth's surface. On a globe, we can see the shape and location of the continents, oceans, and seas. So, what can we see on a globe? Yes, the shape and the location of the continents, oceans, and seas can be seen on a globe. We can only see half of the globe at a time. It is the weak point of a globe, that we can only see half of the globe at a time. We have to rotate the globe to see the other half. It means when we need to see the other half part of the globe, we have to rotate it. But do you know, a globe is a useful mainly to learn the feature of the earth. It has its own limitation. It means a globe has its own limitation. This is very important to know what are the important limitation of a globe. Now, like this, we can explain it. A globe does not give detailed information. It means it has a limit information. So this is the first limitation of globe. And what is the second limitation of globe? A globe is difficult to carry because it occupies a lot of space. Like this, we can say it is not easy to carry a globe at a different place as it occupies a lot of space. So now, what is the third limitation of globe? A specific area cannot be enlarged on a globe. This is the third limitation. So these are the important limitation of a globe. Now we come to know about maps. What are maps? Yes, maps are two-dimensional representation of the earth on a flat surface. So what are maps? Maps are two-dimensional representation of the earth on a flat surface. We can draw it. It means we can draw maps of continents, countries, states, cities, and neighborhoods. Like this, we can say that we can get more detailed and a specific information through maps. So like this, even the smallest area can be enlarged Yes. Can be enlarged and shown on a map. We can draw a map for what purpose? Yes, we can draw a map to indicate mountains, rivers, populations, crops, wildlife, forests, and minerals also. Like globe, a map has also its own limitations. So, what are these limitations? Yes, now try to follow. The first limitation of a map is that the Earth's spherical shape cannot be shown accurately on a flat surface. This is the first limitation of a map. Second limitation is that maps distorts the shape and size of the landforms. So these are the important limitation of maps. Do you know? One who makes maps is called a cartographer. So what is a cartographer? A cartographer is a person who makes maps. It means the person who makes maps is known as a cartographer. नक्शा बनाने वाला व्यक्ति नक्शाविद कहलाता है. Now, in other video, I will discuss about the language of a map. Thank you. Have a nice day and try to study the chapter after watching this video. Okay, thank you.